Welcome to all. Myself Lokeshwaran from EEE department. My topic is optical detector. To move on the topic, content, introduction, pin diode, avalanche photodiode, principle, construction, working, advantage and disadvantage, application. Introduction of optical detector. The optical detector function is to convert the received optical signal into an electrical signal, which is then amplified before further processing. And types of optical detectors: pin photodiodes, avalanche photodiodes. Principle of pin photodiodes. Pin photodiodes is kind of photodetector. It can be converted optical signal into electrical signals. This technology was invented in the last 1950s. There are three regions in the P-type of diode. There is a P region, an intrinsic region and an N region. Construction of pin photodiode. The pin photodiode consists of two layers of semiconductor and one layer of intrinsic material in between them. The semiconductor layer are usually of p-type and n-type pin diode can be constructed in two ways of using planar structure and meso structure. In planar structure, a very thin epitaxial layer is fabricated one of the p-type substrate. This epitaxial layer consists of P plus regions. Working of PN photodiode. The pin photodiode is heavily reverse biased. When a photon of higher energy is incident over the large with eccentric semiconductor layers, then the electron hole pairs are created. The mobile charges are accelerated by the applied voltage, which gives rise the photocurrent in a external circuit. It is a linear device because the photon current is directly proportional to the incident optical power on the pin photodiode. Advantage and disadvantage of pin photodiodes. First of all, advantage of pin photodiode. The pin photodiode can be used as high voltage rectifier. The intrinsic region provides a greater separation between the P and N region. The pin photodiode mask as ideal RF. Next, disadvantage of pin photodiodes. It has rapidly increasing dark current with temperature. It has small active area. It needs of set voltage. There is a necessity of amplification at low irrigation. Applications: audio CD players, DVD players, computer CD drives, optical communication systems, nuclear radiation detectors. Next, avalanche photodiode principle. An avalanche photodiode is a highly sensitive semiconductor photodiode that exploits the photoelectric effect to convert light into electricity. From a functional standpoint, they can be regarded as the semiconductor along of photomultipliers. Construction of avalanche photodiode. It has four regions: N plus region, P region on intrinsic layer, and P plus region, P plus region. The N plus region and P plus region are heavily doped and the intrinsic layer is lightly doped. Its construction can be understood more clearly with the help of the below diagram. Working of avalanche photodiode. This enables avalanche multiplication of the holes and electrons created by the photolight impact as the photons exhaust the depletion region and creates a holes electron pair. These charge carriers will be pulled by the very high electric field away from the one to another. Impact ionization is the process in which one energy carrier with sufficient high kinetic energy strikes bounded energy carrier and impacts with energy to it so that the bounded energy carriers can move freely. This leads to higher concentration of energy carriers and thus high magnitude of current. This phenomenon of Impact implication plays a significant role in increasing photocurrent. Advantage and disadvantage of avalanche photodiode. First of all, the advantage of avalanche photodiode. The main advantage of avalanche photodiode, it is internal gain which can be 300 of higher. This enables can be avalanche photodiode to be used in a low light level application. Disadvantage of avalanche photodiodes, much higher operating voltage may be required. Avalanche photodiode produces a much higher level of noise than PN diode. Avalanche process means that then output is not lines. Output is not lines. Applications: laser range finders, fast receiver modulators, speed gun, microcopy and particle detection, high speed laser scanner. Thank you.